Say hi.
You better remove this clip. Better not add this clip. You don't embarrass this. I look like I don't even know what you want to say. It's my fire emoji.
This is the perfect beginning of a video. It's perfect. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Moyo Ebelechuku. If your first time here, you are welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey, subscriber, cut. Hi guys, it's Moyo Ebelechuku here, and you're welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, guys, I'm not reshooting this thing because see, you see this phone, selfie is disturbing me. Welcome to my channel, and if it's your first time here, you're so welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, Ofra, Charlie? And today we're going to be doing a review on first time product. I'm going to be using some products for the very first time, and I'll be giving you my honest review, and we'll just be chatting like that. Let's just hope that this video is not 1 hour long. All right, my guys, today I'm going to be trying out this foundation from Ofra Cosmetics. Ofra Cosmetics, and this is in color shade 9, right? I would have used shade 10, but shade 10 has more of a grayish undertone, and that won't be good for me. And we got a package. We got a package. We got a yeah. She my address. No show it. No show. We got a package. We got a package. Package. When you go focus, okay, focus. Alright. Yeah. And he's so beautiful. He's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. See, yeah, I know me this game. The package, I wish you could guys see. I don't know how the color is coming off there, but it's so beautiful. This is from Reinessence Beauty, and they sent me this, so I'm gonna be trying out for the first time. And as our auntie Sefi here has been raving about Maybelline fits me, Maybelline fits me, I'm gonna be trying out this. I'm going to be trying out this setting powder because if you know me, I love my white RCMA setting powder. It's my ride or die. But some people, you know, they believe in it, so why not? So right here we have the brown mantic by Reinessence Beauty. You know the way everybody always does the soap brows and stuff like that. So this is their own brow gel that you do before your brow, and it looks like, I don't know if it's just me, it looks like edge control to me. It looks so much like edge control, like, so I'm supposed to use it on my brows. This how it's, I like it because it doesn't feel so oily. Honestly, it looks like edge control to me, but it's not sticky. Don't be scared, it's not sticky and stuff like that. So I'll be going in with the Maybelline Fit Me as per before that shenanigans of before powder before foundation. So I will just put this on the places I'm oily, which honestly I think is everywhere of my face. So, you know, it's so funny that I will boldly use a white powder, RCMA, and I will not fear flashback. But as I'm using this right now, I'm so scared that it will give me flashback. Does it make sense? This is colored, right? And I'm not supposed to fear it. But I think that this shade I actually picked does not have an orange undertone. God, I look like a masquerade. Guys, if don't do it like me too much. Oh. I feel like I picked one that has something like grey undertone. This doesn't look like it has an orange undertone. And in my blood, I'm orange. I'm orange. So, I'm not gonna lie. I've kind of tested this one before. Please don't be deceived. My hand is like Oyinbo. I don't know. It's just so weird. My hand is Oyinbo. Like, I'm not even talking about this part. This part, you see my hand and I put it on my face like this. You'll be like, oh my God, who is touching her? Not knowing that it's me. Me, I don't understand. But you people take it like that because I will do foundation now. I'll take picture. I'm doing like this. Someone will say, it doesn't match her skin. Come for me. I will insult you. Wallah. Anyway, I will not insult you. I'm a child of God. I will just leave you on red. I need to pain you. So we're going into this. It's kind of watery, and it says it's absolute cover foundation, full coverage foundation made with silk peptides. So we're gonna see if you know. Do you see this? The chocolate tone. I know it looks kind of dark, but it's not actually. Yeah, it's and it's not really. It's not going to show so dark because it's not really an orange undertone. It has kind of grayish, bluish, orangish. So when I put it at first, it looks dark, but when I start putting it out, you will see that it's like it starts to go.
Oh, okay. It actually really looks nice.
Can you see? Yeah. And this shade 9, if I show you the shade 10, it looks lighter than this. And you'll be wondering that it's not supposed to be darker as it's going, as the number is going. But no, that one really has only like a gray undertone. But this one kind of has neutral bar and hair, yeah, something like that. But you can't tell me that this is not full coverage. This is, it's true to their name because, and it's matte. Like, did they say it's matte before I go talk rubbish now? I don't know if they said it's matte though, but it's matte on my face. And now I don't know if it's the powder I put before it that's making it like this, or so I don't think I have to tell you that I love it because you can see that I'm feeling myself, feeling myself, I'm feeling myself, feeling myself. I'm going to go into this Ferrarici concealer palette, FPH cosmetic concealer palette, okay? And I like do you know the meaning of can notice me? I'm here, I'm around, that's me. Okay, this one is not a new product, so let me just do it and come back. Okay, I'll be back in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, now so to the scariest part, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I'm really scared. I'm really scared about this process. I got it in number 25 medium. So whatever you do, guys, set first, press it back. Yeah, press it back. Make sure that there are no creasing or stuff like that, and look up to the heavens if you have to. I'm picking it up and I'm going in. I'm scared. If you know me, that normally I will pick more than this, but you see this thing, I'm not even gonna lie, I don't trust it. And I don't like to put too much under my eye. Get away. I don't like to put too much under my eye because you see this place, this small thing I put under my eye now. Everywhere on my face can become oily. But you see that place say, thou shall not touch me. Don't come near me. That place will be dry. It's a bit hard for me to get into it. Maybe you might need something that can bend. Trim them. Oh wow, I think it's doing something. Oh really? You're really gonna show off like that? Okay. Alright. I did spare it. I never experienced it. Believe me. I never experienced it. Can you see the effect? It does not even have that feeling of glue like the way people are doing soap brows or anything. It is so light and it's so nice. Like you don't feel like you're putting anything on your brows, but it's actually making the girls say, attention. At least, you guys, I have NYC gist oh. When I white top I dey find, I fell in love and my heart was broken twice within 3 weeks. Yay! Story time. You guys want story time? It's just that I feel like these people will watch it. I will change their name. They know Coco have proof that I'm talking about them. If you guys want the story time, guys, I'll do story time. But if people can get my videos to at least 500 views. If you don't do it, I'm not doing story time. See, I love this thing so much. I think I should get so many. I'm going to be using in the shade Ebony. I know you're shocked. Moya is doing a nude look. I'm shocked too. But I'm in a hurry and I need to get going. So I put the instant rewind, Maybelline, and some Zickel just for that orange hue. And I'll blend it in. So yeah, I didn't use any eyeshadow palette. I just went in straight into the powder palette. This to darken and then I went into this part to feather it out. My camera went off without even telling me. I used the dark one and just remember I stamped it in first before I started going into it like this. And then I'm going to go into a lighter one just to blend it out. Barely even doing anything. Barely doing anything. And then I'm going into the lightest powder of this palette, which is called Cool Tan. I'm just placing it here because we cannot come and kill ourselves. But my friend swears by it. You should check out, by the way. I told you I was not going to be able to resist it. I'm sorry. I mean, I've showed you how to do the nude part. You can always just leave it like that. If you don't like gleam pan or you don't like a shade you like me, because I was honestly not supposed to do this. Anyway, I used the in Queen. It seems like everyone is breaking up. I'm going to wear my contact. See, let me tell you something. You know how people say lashes take your look from 0 to 100? Contact lens take your look from 100 to 1,355,778,570,000,899 something billion thousand. Hey! Okay, now, so I guess, guys, I guess this did not really do bad. Maybe I can't be putting as much as I used to put. And we are gonna test these things. We're gonna test these beautiful things, and that's the next on the show. Reinessence, we're gonna test it. We're gonna test it.
Okay, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And definitely share this video. Till next time, guys. Bye.
The durag is so fine. What if I remove the durag and it's no more fine? Do you guys does that thing ever happen when you're watching someone's tutorial and then they're tying scarf and then they're pressing down their wig, and when they just come with their wig on, you would not be like, it was fine now. Okay. But I mean, I'm still a beauty. I'm still a beauty. Hello? Hello? Did you just say you're scared? What are you scared of? This is in. Which one should I go with first? Oh, wow. I actually thought this would be my least favorite. Should I tell you one of the advantages of having dark lips? You have natural lip liner. I mean, not everybody can be comfortable with this. But that's why you have liners. You have lip liners. You can always, when I saw this shade, I really thought that I won't really like it. That's why I started off with it. But I'm looking so chiseled. It's making me look like a Barbie doll. Are you guys seeing this? And I hope it looks so cute like that because I'm really feeling myself. So this is the shade Susie. Susie. So this is the shade, is it Eben or Eben? And that means ebony. I think that's French, and that means ebony in English. Oh God. I'm like, when they picked this shade and said that this is the perfect nude, my mind I was like, okay. I prefer the consistency of this one. I love that shade Susie, but consistency is somehow it's like you have to keep putting, and then there's some spots you need to fill in and stuff like that. That I don't like about that shade. But you see this one, maybe it's because it's a deeper color. I love it. And Susie feels a little more gummy, which I don't like, but I love the color of Susie. This one is perfect. The texture, the feel, it's not giving you that in between. Susie was giving me that chewing gum feeling. I, I don't like that about. I don't like the way it feels and the way it feels on the lip. That's the con about it. But I love Susie the color. But you see this one, Mario yo yo. Can't talk to me anyhow. That's just all I know. So the final one is Shori. Shori. Correct, we miss sweetheart though in English. Oh my god. This I guy, I knew I was going to love this color. Hey. This is not me looking like a snack. No, this is me being the actual snack. Excuse you? Damn. I love the consistent. Out of these three, I love the consistency of Eben or Eben most, followed by this. But the color, I love this color. I also love the color of Susie. I just don't like the consistency. Oh, this is no guys. No guys. Reinessence Beauty. You guys did it. You're like, oh my god, oh my god. Pose, pose. All right, that's it, guys. That's it on today's, what did I call it? On today's first impression trial. I tried the Ofra Cosmetics foundation. I tried the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I also tried the Reinessence Beauty products. What am I going to say? This actually works. As in, I was so surprised because I barely have brows. It actually works. It doesn't feel greasy. It is amazing. It is actually amazing. Oh my god. And you guys, the lashes, I was underestimating it. I was like, I'm a girl that wears like bold lashes and all. I don't know if this will do for me, but I guess that's all right. But no. No. The thing said, "Hey, who are you talking to? Give me some respect. Add some respect to my name." That's what the thing told me. And I'm like, I'm sorry, sir. I'm very, very sorry. No, this lash was so amazing. So amazing. I really love it. I really love it. And for the three, this feels so hydrating. This no, they did it. I'm not even going to lie, they did it. They did it. Thank you for sending me this. I'm so happy. So go check them out. I'll leave their link in the description box. If in case you're wondering, this top, whatever they wrote on it does not have meaning. Let's not even lie. But I love it. I always look so good in it. So this from 1K thrift shop. And my earrings are from Fashion Nova. My hair, it's from God. I love you guys. Make sure you like, share, you subscribe, bring more people. Like I said, I have story time of how I fell in love and got heartbroken in just 3 weeks. 3 weeks camp. If you want to hear that story, can we get this to at least 500 views? And how is it going to get to at least 500 views? You're going to share. Your daddy, your mommy, your friend, the group chat, everything. You're going to share the video. Because what? Uh, because thank you so much for watching this and being with me. I love you guys. I'll see you next time in my next video, and I hope to do better and find the solution to this my nose issue. But we're still beautiful, we're still popping, we're still I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.